Mastering negative questions in the simple present tense. Hello everyone. Welcome to another session of our series on conversational English. Today, we're going to focus on negative questions in the simple present tense. We will understand what negative questions are, how to form them in simple present tense, and how they can add depth to your everyday conversations. Negative questions are questions that are formed by using the negative form of a verb. We often use them to express surprise, confirm a negative belief, or request confirmation of a positive belief. These questions can often be confusing, but they are very useful in conversational English. A negative question in the simple present tense often follows this structure. Do, does not plus subject plus verb. For example, doesn't she like ice cream? Don't you go to school? Using do not when forming negative questions with I, you, we, and they, we use do not or don't. For example, don't you love this weather? Don't we have a meeting today? Using does not. On the other hand, for he, she, it, and singular nouns, we use does not or doesn't. For example, doesn't he live here? Doesn't the dog need a walk? Answering negative questions can be tricky. It's important to respond carefully to make sure you're clearly understood. For example, if someone asks, "Don't you like coffee?" you would answer, "Yes, I do. Yes, I like coffee. No, I don't. No, I don't like coffee." Practicing with your own examples is the best way to master negative questions in the simple present tense. Come up with some sentences using do not and does not, and try answering them too. Remember, practice makes perfect. And there you have it. You're now more familiar with negative questions in the simple present tense. It might seem a bit tricky at first, but with regular practice, you'll master it in no time. Thanks for joining in today's session, and remember, keep practicing and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we all learn. Until next time, happy learning.